Today's topic, home remedies for melasma with rose water and lemon. Many people ask me if there are any home remedies that can help reduce the appearance of melasma. The answer is yes. And today I will be talking about 2 natural remedies which you can use at the comfort of your home to fade away melasma. Welcome back to our channel. Before we start, please subscribe to support us. Also, before we begin, please remember that this video is for educational purposes only. So do speak to a doctor if you have any medical concerns. In this video, I'll be talking about 2 remedies which you can use at home to treat your melasma. One is rose water and lemon juice. I will talk about both of them in detail so that you can understand how to use them and what are the side effects. Now let's first talk about rose water. Rose water has been used since ancient times for various health and beauty benefits. It is produced by distilling rose petals and water. It is a popular ingredient in many skincare products because it has astringent, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. These properties make rose water very effective against acne, sunspots, oily skin, etc. There are several ways to use rose water for melasma treatment. You can use it as a toner, use it in a spray bottle to refresh yourself throughout the day, or apply it with a cotton ball or cotton pad directly onto the affected area. For best results, you must use organic, pure, and fresh rose water. Let's now see the detailed method to fade melasma with the help of rose water. Take a clean cotton ball and soak it in rose water. Apply the cotton ball on the affected area gently. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat dry the area. You may also add a few drops of rose water into a spray bottle and keep it in your refrigerator. Whenever you feel that your melasma is becoming more prominent or when you are going out in the sun, close your eyes and spray it all over your face. Let it dry naturally. This will cool your skin and reduce redness caused due to melasma. You should always perform a patch test before using any new product on your entire face. To do this, take a small amount of rose water on a cotton swab and apply it to an inconspicuous area such as behind your ear. Wait for 24 hours to see if you experience any irritation, redness, or other signs of allergy. If none appears, then it is safe to use on the entire face. Though rose water is generally safe for most skin types, it can cause irritation in some people. Also, if you have sensitive skin, it is best to dilute it with equal parts water before using it. Now let's talk about the benefits of using rose water. As mentioned earlier, rose water has astringent properties, which means it helps in tightening the skin. It closes the open pores and reduces the chances of dirt and bacteria entering your pores. This can help prevent future breakouts and also reduce the appearance of scars and marks left behind by previous breakouts. The antibacterial properties of rose water help fight acne by killing the bacteria that can cause pimples. Its antifungal properties help treat fungal infections of the skin. It is also very effective against athlete's foot and nail fungus. The anti-inflammatory properties of rose water help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness and puffiness. It can also help calm down the itchiness and irritation caused by bug bites, rashes, etc. Antioxidant present in rose water protects the skin from the harmful effects of free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and lead to premature aging, wrinkles, age spots, etc. By protecting your skin from free radicals, rose water can help keep it looking youthful and healthy. Now let's discuss the side effects of using rose water. Generally, rose water is safe for most people when used topically. However, some people may experience mild irritation, redness, or other signs of allergy when using rose water. This is because rose water can be very strong and it can dry out your skin if used excessively. It can also make your skin too alkaline, which can disrupt the natural pH balance of your skin. This can lead to irritation, redness, dryness, etc. In addition, rose water can cause contact dermatitis, which is a type of eczema that occurs when the skin comes into contact with an allergen. Symptoms of contact dermatitis include itching, redness, swelling, blisters, etc. If you experience any of these symptoms, discontinue the use of rose water and consult a doctor. Let's now talk about lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, citric acid, and other antioxidants. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that protects the skin from the harmful effects of the sun and pollution. Citric acid helps to exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells. Other antioxidants present in lemon juice protect the skin from premature aging. Lemon juice also has antifungal properties that help treat fungal infections of the skin. There are several ways to use lemon juice for treating melasma. You can apply it directly to the affected area using a cotton swab. You can mix it with other ingredients like aloe vera gel or honey and apply it to the affected area. You can also add a few drops of lemon juice to your cleanser or moisturizer. Whichever way you choose to use it, always remember to dilute it with water before applying it to your skin. Let's now see the detailed method to fade melasma with the help of lemon juice. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of water in a small bowl. Dip a cotton swab in the mixture and apply it to the affected area. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat dry the area. You can use this remedy once a week for best results. Though lemon juice is generally safe for most people when used in small amounts, it can cause irritation, redness, and peeling if used excessively. In addition, lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. This is because it contains photoactive compounds which can make your skin more prone to sunburn when exposed to sunlight. Therefore, it is important to use sunscreen whenever you are going out in the sun after applying lemon juice on your face. Let's now discuss the benefits of using lemon juice. As mentioned earlier, lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that protects the skin from the harmful effects of the sun and pollution. It also helps to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots and blemishes. The citric acid present in lemon juice helps exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells. This can help improve the texture and tone of your skin and also reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The antioxidants present in lemon juice protect the skin from premature aging. They also help to reduce the appearance of age spots and other types of hyperpigmentation. Lemon juice also has antifungal properties that help treat fungal infections of the skin. Now let's talk about the side effects of using lemon juice. Lemon juice is generally safe for most people when used in small amounts, but it can cause irritation, redness, and peeling if used excessively. It can also make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Therefore, it is important to use sunscreen whenever you go out in the sun after applying lemon juice on your face. Now let's discuss some important points to remember. Always perform a patch test before using any new product on your entire face. You can do this by applying a small amount of the product to an inconspicuous area, such as behind your ear, and waiting 24 hours to see if any irritation, redness, or other signs of allergy develop. Discontinue the use of any product that causes skin irritation or redness. Use caution when using lemon juice and avoid getting it in your eyes. If you experience any burning, stinging, or other discomfort while using the product, rinse it off immediately with cold, soapy water. Do not use these remedies if you are pregnant or breastfeeding unless you have been advised to do so by your healthcare provider. Consult a dermatologist if your melasma does not improve after using these remedies for 2 to 3 months. If you want to learn more about home remedies for melasma, click on the video playlist provided below. Please do like, share, and subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.